how to screen record on iPhone and iPad with mic and audio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll guide you on how you can actually screen record on your iPhone and iPad with your mic and audio, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been recording screen on your iPhone but it's not recording your mic, that's because you're missing out on one thing. First of all, scroll down from the top right menu and then you'll find this screen recording icon, right? If you just tap on it over here, it's going to begin the recording, as you can see at the very top of the screen. And now you can, if you want, you can also go ahead and then actually just pause this recording over here. So basically, if you want to pause it, you can just do that. If you want to close it just like that. But let's say that your microphone is actually not being recorded. What you can do in that case is, you are missing out on one thing, as I said. For that, long press on the screen recording icon. Here you can see microphone icon from the bottom. Just tap on it and it will turn red. Now it will record your microphone, which means whatever you say from the outside, even whatever I'm actually saying from over here, then I'll just tap on start recording, and then you will be able to go ahead and listen those, but make sure the microphone is turned on and only begin recording. So hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.